What is the speed of light in a vacuum? A. 300,000 kilometers per second. B. 150,000 kilometers per second. C. 45,000 kilometers per second. D. 600,000 kilometers per second. A. 300,000 kilometers per second. Who is known as the father of the nation in Pakistan? Allama Iqbal. B. Quaid-e-Azam. C. Liaquat Ali Khan. D. Sir Syed Ahmed Khan. Answer B. Quaid-e-Azam. What is the name of Pakistan's highest mountain peak? A. K2. B. Nanga Parbat. C. Broad Peak. D. Gasherbrum 1. Answer A. K2. In which year did Pakistan become a republic? A. 1947. B. 1956. C. 1962. D. 1971. Answer B. 1956. Which river is the longest in Pakistan? A. Jhelum. B. Chenab. C. Indus. D. Ravi. Answer C. Indus.